Hello students, in this video we are going to study electronic effects in organic reaction. As we noted earlier that in the polar organic reaction, the nucleophilic center in a nucleophile attack of electrophile attack of a substrate, whereas the electrophile center in a electrophile attack, the nucleophilic center in the nucleophile in the substrate. That is, so how electrophilic or nucleophilic center generated in a neutral substrate. हे आपला क्वेश्चन काय आहे की इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्ट्रेट किंवा न्यूक्लिओफिलिक सेंटर हे न्यूट्रल सबस्ट्रेट मध्ये कसे तयार होतात. तर आता या ठिकाणी एक तुम्हाला पिक्चर दिसते आहे. ओके, तर यामध्ये काय होऊन राहिलं की एक हा या ठिकाणी स्टुडंट आहे किंवा एक इथे व्यक्ती आहे, सपोज हा, ठीक आहे, हा पर्सन आहे आणि इकडे ही चेन आहे. कोणाची? तर मुलांची. ही सपोज आपण कार्बन 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 पकडू आणि इथे हा जो आहे याला आपण हॅलोजन पकडूया. ठीक आहे, आणि हे 3 कार्बन. आता या ठिकाणी काय होते की हा जो या ठिकाणी इथे व्हायलेट कलरचा शर्ट घातलेला आहे, तर हा काय स्ट्रॉंग आहे कोणापेक्षा? तर या 3ही कार्बन ॲटमपेक्षा. ओके, आणि मग यांच्या दोघांमध्ये रस्सीखेच चालू आहे. आता रस्सीखेच चालू असताना याची ताकद कोणाची जास्त राहणार आहे? या पर्सनची. ओके, आणि जर याची जास्त असेल तर या 3ही कार्बनला किंवा या 3ही मुलांना तो काय करेल? मग स्वतःकडे विड्रॉ करेल, स्वतःकडे ओढून घेईल. म्हणजेच काय होते? द डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ व्हॅलन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन रिझल्टिंग इन द पोलरायझेशन ऑफ organic molecule, and this is called as the electronic effect. Okay, if it is in a ground state, then it is a permanent effect, and that effect is called as a inductive effect, or it is another permanent effect, that is the resonance effect, and other effects are temporary effect. Okay, so the first we studied here, we studied inductive effect. When an organic molecule has a polar covalent bond in its structure, polarity is induced in the adjacent carbon-carbon single bond 2. This is called as a inductive effect. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ काय होतो की याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला दिसते की इथे 1, 2, 3 कार्बन ॲटम्स आहेत आणि हा हॅलोजन ॲटम त्याला ओढतोय आणि दीज आर बॉन्डेड विथ इच अदर अ सिंगल कोव्हॅलंट बॉन्ड, एका साध्या रस्सीने जोडलेले. जेव्हा आता हा हॅलोजन हा इकडे ओढून घेईल या रस्सीला, तर रस्सीला इकडे ओढल्यामुळे हा बॉन्ड इकडे येतोय, हा ॲरो दाखवला जातो. ठीक आहे, इकडे ओढल्या जाईल आणि ओढल्यामुळे या तिघांवर सुद्धा टेन्शन अपिअर्ड होईल. बरोबर, त्याच्या सर्वात जास्त कोणावर अपिअर्ड होईल? पहिला, त्याच्यानंतर त्याच्यापेक्षा कमी दुसरा आणि त्याच्यापेक्षा सर्वात कमी तिसऱ्यावर, आहे ना. आणि हा जो इफेक्ट आहे यालाच आपण काय म्हणतो? मग दिस इज कॉल्ड ॲज इंडक्टिव्ह इफेक्ट. द अनदर एक्झाम्पल, सपोज दिस इज द 2 एलिमेंट्स which is held together by the single covalent bond, but these 2 elements amongst 2, here B is a more electronegative atom of an element, whereas A is less electronegative atom of an element. So the covalent bond which is formed by a sharing pair of electron. So this shared pair of electron which is assumed to be lie between the A and B, but it is observed that due to more electronegativity of this B here, this pair of electron, it is nearer to the B and away from that of A. Okay, and because this is the away from A, it possesses delta positive charge, and as it is attracted by B, that B possesses delta negative charge. Means this, the bond between A and B possesses 2 ends, positive end and del negative end, means partially positive and partially negative, and that's why this bond is called as the polar bond, and this effect is observed permanently, and that's why it is called as the permanent inductive effect. Let us consider the another example. For example, in this molecule positive polarities develop on the carbon atom. Okay, so here inductive effect of the that Cl atom bonded to C1 is normally that C2 to C1 bond will not be expected to be a polar, as it is the covalent bond between the two atoms of the same elements. Yet this bond acquire the some polarity because of the presence of chlorine atom in the molecule, chlorine being more electronegative than the carbon. Okay, and therefore here this pair of electron between carbon and this Cl, it is attracted or it is shifted towards Cl negative, Cl, and because of that Cl possesses partially negative charge, and at the same time the C1 carbon, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is fourth one carbon. Okay, so the first one carbon, it appears partially positive charge. As it appears partially positive charge, again this pair of electron, it is attracted towards C1. Okay, and therefore this C2 possesses again double delta positive, and similar effect is happened. Okay, so as the distance increases, the inductive effect goes on decreases. Okay, so here that means partially positive charge will develop on the carbon number 2, 3 and 4, and this effect is called as a inductive effect. The arrow head put in the center of the bond and is used to represent the inductive effect. Okay, means this is okay. Inductive effect of influencing group is transferred to subsequent carbon atom along with the chain of carbon-carbon bond. As it decreases rapidly as the number of intervening carbon-carbon bond increases, it becomes negligibly small beyond the 3 bonds. This can be represented in this way, means in that figure. Okay, so here next one, that is the types of inductive effect. Students, there are 2 types of inductive effect. One is positive inductive effect and another is the negative inductive effect. This one, it is the negative inductive effect, and this one, that is the positive inductive effect. So here it depends on the it is according to this ability of group. Substituents are classified earlier that electron withdrawing or electron donating, means electron accepting or electron releasing group. So here the electron withdrawing inductive effect or negative inductive effect means the substance or that group of atom or group of atom which has tendency to withdraw the electron pair. So this shows the negative inductive effect. For example here, this CHO, OH, CO, NH2, CN, that is cyano carboxyl group, ester group or aryloxy group, these are they shows the negative inductive effect. हे काय करतात तर सिस्टीम कडून, म्हणजे सिस्टीम म्हणजे काय, कार्बनची चेन, त्याला जर हे फंक्शनल ग्रुप अटॅच असेल तर हे फंक्शनल ग्रुपचं काम काय असते, टू अट्रॅक्ट द पेअर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन टुवर्ड्स देमसेल्व्स, मीन्स दे आर द इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉइंग ग्रुप and therefore they shows the negative effect and they possess the negative charge on it when they withdraw the electron towards itself. Okay, next one, that is the positive inductive effect. So positive inductive effect, that is means here negative CHO, CN, OH, COOH, these are they show the negative inductive effect. On the other hand, alkyl group, just like CH3 or here C2H5 or isopropyl group or tertiary butyl group, all these alkyl groups, electron releasing inductive effect and on the carbon chain, म्हणजे कार्बन 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 सिस्टीम जर पकडली आपण तर हे काय करतात, दे पुश द पेअर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन अवे फ्रॉम इटसेल्फ, म्हणजे स्वतःपासून ते दूर ढकलतात आणि चेनकडे ते ट्रान्सफर करतात आणि म्हणून त्यांना काय म्हणतो आपण, इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग, and therefore they shows the positive inductive effect. Okay, so here there are two type of inductive effect, one is positive and another is negative inductive effect. Okay, so the cyclic structure of benzene, there are the three alternating carbon carbon single bond and double bond. Okay, so here also there is a inductive effect if any of the group, means if alkyl group is present, it shows the positive inductive effect, and if other than alkyl group are present on that system, then it shows the negative inductive effect. Okay, so students, after watching this video, here you have to attempt the following questions. 1. What is inductive effect? Second one, what is negative inductive effect? Explain with example. Third one, what is positive inductive effect? Explain with example. Next, identify which of the following groups shows positive inductive effect and negative inductive effect.